Hello guys, my name is Jonah, and today I'll be showing you a new feature that YouTube is rolling out to some, and it's called time comments. YouTube has started testing a new feature that gives you a quick way to view comments. I call it timed to the exact moment you're watching the video on mobile devices only. This is only for mobile devices. I tried it on a web and I can't see this feature. Now let's head to YouTube now. As you can see, this is on a YouTube app. It says here, welcome to Time Beta. As the video plays, comments about what you're watching will show up here. The next comment will appear there's a timestamp there. Now, if we go on you can see here, it says here, we have top comments time newest first. Now, this sounds familiar because it sounds like, the replay chat section in YouTube live videos. It works similar like that. When the stream is done, you can replay and read some live comments. The feature could help you find the most exciting or coolest parts of what you're watching based on what people are saying. Pretty cool, isn't it? Since time comments are just an experiment at this point, YouTube has only enabled them for some videos and has only given access to a small number of people. Now, let's play this song, which I've already chosen. So now this song is playing. I doubt you can hear it, but I just want to show you some comments here that's showing on my screen, okay? So I'm just going to pause it here. So now you can see some comments are already showing up here. Now if we go to different videos, we're just gonna do search any videos we like. Say I don't know, say this one, okay? Alright, they block me. No, let's say Minecraft. Alright, for example this, let's go to the right top. So you can see here, you can only see top comments newest first. Doesn't have the timed, okay? It's only selected videos only. I guess for let's check more songs. Say I'm just gonna search my name. No, actually no. Say Givian. So let's try the Heartbreak Anniversary. So here you can see the time. So I'm actually assuming it's for popular videos only. Now I'm choosing only music. So yeah, that's a pretty cool feature that's rolling out still. Now to see if you're chosen as a tester for this experimental feature, you have to pull up a videos comment section in Android or iOS. Tap on the sort button on the right part of the section to see if you have a time beta. You can check it if you have it. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you guys.